Welcome back. Our job is to find what is the value of x. Of course, first we need to find what is the sum of the interior angle of this polygon. Let's count how many sides we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's six-sided. We call it hexagon. Alright, so 6 minus 2 open close parenthesis times 180, that gives us 4 times 180, that is 720 is our sum. Now, the sum is 720. If we want to find x, we just continue subtract. We can find x minus 88 and minus 105. Minus 142, minus 140, minus 124. Alright, we subtract all this from 720. Then we will be able to find what is x. I have, by the way, what did you have? Okay, I hope you calculated yours also. I have x is 121 degrees. That is how we find the missing value of x. Alright, let us continue. Our job is to find what is the value of x. This time we're going to use a different rule. The rule says that the sum of the exterior angle, let's put exterior angle, exterior angle. The sum of exterior angle of a convex polygon is always 360. Therefore, we're going to put them together. When we say together, we mean we're going to add it. 93, add, I have 1x here, I have 2x here, and I have 75. When we add it, we add all this exterior angle of this convex polygon. We have the sum is always 360. Okay, then we can solve for what is x. Pause this video, see what you got. The value of x I have is 64.